Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel again. Thank you so much for stopping by. If this is your first time in this channel, you're welcome. And if you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for always coming back to watch our videos. So today we are going to be making another cute African threading hairstyle for my baby girl. And we are starting off with the washed hair. We have washed our hair, conditioned it, and moisturized it. So I'm going to go ahead and start parting the hair. I already parted the hair from ear to ear. That part I'm going to be doing a brush on it. So for the rest of the hair, I'm going to pattern it into squares. I mean, into box. Let's just say the way you part a box braid. That's how I'm going to be parting the rest of the hair. So I'm done parting the hair. You can already see that it's in sections. The reason why I pre-parted this hair is because natural hair tends to dry so quickly. So after that, I went ahead to prepare my wool. You can see the way I'm doing it. That's how I used to prepare my wool. You can look for somebody to hold it for you, or you can use a door handle, just anything to tie it and roll it out like this. And after that, you cut it out with a pair of scissors. It is about 70 inches or more, I think so, roughly. So it's now time to thread the hair. So I'm starting it off as a knotless braid. I feed in 3 pieces of wool for the first time, and I feed in another 3 pieces of wool. Then I'll use another 3 pieces of wool to thread it, then making it 9. So the reason why I'm starting this off as a knotless braid is because this threading hairstyle tends to bring too much tension on the scalp, making it to hurt so bad. So with this method, you'll be able to control the amount of tension on the scalp. So I think this is the best method to thread a child hair, because with this method, they will not feel any pain at all. So after the knotless part, you take 3 pieces of wool and start wrapping it around the hair gently. You will continue doing this to achieve your desired length. When the wool that you are threading with is short, you take another 3 pieces of wool and place it on the hair and start threading again. That's how you add wool to the hair that you're threading. When you achieve your desired length, you secure it into a knot like you see me doing in this video. Repeat the process again till you thread all the hair. So for this part, we are going to be doing a brush. When I say a brush, what I mean is just grab any edge control that you have, then you apply it on top of the hair, then you use a small comb and brush it backwards like you see me doing in this video. That's how you do a brush. Repeat the process by three pieces of wool, feeding in 3 pieces of wool. Then here goes another 3 pieces of wool. Then you braid it down a little. With another 3 pieces of wool, you wrap it around the hair carefully and gently. Then you start threading all the way down to your desired length. It's very simple. Trust me, anybody can do this. Anyone can do this. If you follow the steps that I'm doing in this video, you can do this. It's not hard. So I'm done threading the hair, and I'm going to be using a pair of scissors to cut out the excess hair. Then I will burn the mouth. So for this one that I'm burning the mouth, I want to put it into finger curls, into cute and beautiful curls. I'm going to be doing this another one too. It's going to be in the front. After cutting out the excess wool from the rest of them, I burned the mouth. I forgot to film this, but please make sure you burn yours when you do this hairstyle to prevent it from unraveling. So this is it, guys, and this is me packing the hair into a cute side ponytail, which I will put into a donut shape packing. After this, I forgot to film the rolling of the dough part, but if you want to see it, let me know in the comments and I will review it in my next video. So this is it, guys. We are done with our hairstyle. It's really cute and beautiful on her, and she loved it. Let me know what you think in the comments about this hairstyle. Will you be trying it for your little one? And trust me, it didn't hurt her a bit. So from here, we're about to say goodbye to you guys. Thank you so much for always staying with us. We love you.